Gujarati bread like this Thepla. We need just pickled as a side dish to eat this bread. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen.
We can make 6 rotis from this recipe. To a blender, a small piece of ginger, 4 pieces of green chilies, a little bit of water into a fine paste like this and set it aside. On the bowl, 100 grams of chopped spinach, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 2 teaspoon of sesame seed, dry methi, 1 tablespoon crush, and the ginger and chili paste. Mix well and combine. Add half cup of yogurt. Give a quick mix. Add 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup basin flour. Mix well. Add half cup of water. I'm using half cup of water. May have changes when you make the dough. Make a soft dough like this. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Give a quick mix. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Make balls like this. Dip the bowl in the flour. Both sides. Using a rolling pin, roll it out. If you need more flour, test with flour. Remove all the flour onto a hot skillet. Grill the bread. Flip it over. Drizzle some oil. Spread it all over. Beautifully cooked. Flip it back. You can see some golden spots. Drizzle a little bit more oil and spread it all over. You can get a beautiful Gujarati bread. Very soft bread. You can enjoy with pickles.
The Gujarati bread Thepla is ready. We need just pickle to enjoy this bread. That's the good thing of this bread because a lot of flavors are there in this bread. If you like to have some pickles, there's a lot of pickles in my channel. From beef, cheese, rhubarb, what else? Beetroot, and more and more and more. Please visit my channel for interesting pickle recipes. Now let's concentrate on this bread. Just enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.